Have you started building AI agents yet? I'm David Stiernholm, and in the final episode of the season of Done, I share a method that helps you quickly get started with creating agents. But first, poor structure creates friction and conflicts between colleagues. The nagging increases, irritation grows, and harmony gets worse. In my talks, I show how you can create a structure that makes you a colleague others can rely on. Book a talk with me about working in a structured way for your autumn kickoff or for your summer conference. I have 1 or 2 available dates left before the summer holidays are here. Email me at david@stiernholm.com and I'll send you a quote immediately. Lately, I've spent less and less time chatting with an AI. At the same time, I get more and more value from AI, and it helps me complete more tasks. It saves me time and effort. Instead of chatting with AI, I build agents and so-called skills, and beyond that, more or less advanced apps that make things easier for me. The point of creating an agent instead of continuing to write in long chat threads is that you save tokens, which simply put are what get consumed when you chat and may have a cost attached to them, because the AI reads the concise agent instruction instead of the entire chat history in the thread. The point is also that the results become more consistent between runs without the AI gradually drifting in some direction over time, and that the agent is easier to distribute to others who want to use it than if it were only a thread and an approximate prompt. However, from conversations with clients, I've realized that getting started with building agents can be a hurdle. How do you begin? After all, you've only just gotten good momentum with chat prompting. That's why I'd like to share a method that I've come to use with good results and that has become my most common way of building agents, skills, and sometimes even simple apps. It's based on the AI describing itself. Do this. It all starts when you get an idea of something the AI could help you with. To see whether your assumption is correct, you test it in a chat, just as usual. You upload a document and ask the AI to do something with it. Or you let it find something online, process it, and present it to you in a format you're happy not to create yourself. Or you prompt it about something else you need help with. When you see that the AI succeeds in doing exactly what you wanted, not just once, but several times, ask it to describe what you've just done together. The purpose is for you to be able to tell the agent so that it does the same thing. I usually write a prompt such as, I'd like to turn what we've done here into an agent. Can you describe what we've done as a prompt I can give the agent when I set it up? Or, could you formulate a skill based on what we've done together here? When you receive the description, read it and look for whether the AI has misunderstood something or failed to mention something important. If you're doing this in Microsoft Copilot, you'll, in true Copilot fashion, be asked whether you want the AI to describe it in a completely different way or in a more advanced way than it just did. It's up to you whether you accept. Then, when you create the agent, it's this description that you paste into the box where you're asked to describe the agent you want to create. If you're creating a skill in Claude instead, you'll get a skill file that you double-click to install and put into operation. Test the agent or your new skill carefully to ensure that it does what you want. Adjust the instructions if you need to refine it. Let me add that this approach is best suited to simpler agents and skills. If you want to build something more advanced that has multiple data sources where it's critical that the results are reliable over time or that will be used broadly across the organization, it may be better to build the agent with more direct hands-on involvement. Because if you let the AI describe itself in order to quickly build an agent, you will get started with agent creation rapidly if you haven't already. You formalize a good AI experience so that you can use it more often and with more consistent results. It's like documenting a well-functioning process you can show others, rather than doing their work automatically based on your extensive experience. Your part of the business becomes a little more stable. What agent or skill have you built that you're especially pleased with? Write to me at david@stiernholm.com and tell me, because I'm always looking for new ideas about what I can create myself so that I can get more work done more easily during my workdays. Thank you for today and for this season. Now Done and I are taking a summer break. We'll both be back on Monday, August 17. I wish you a great summer.